computer class. So till now we have completed our unit first chapter, as in that syllabus 2 chapters were coming. Now from chapter 3rd, charts in Excel, we have to start for the half yearly syllabus. So let's start with the introduction. A chart is a graphical representation of data in which the data is represented by symbols such as lines in a line chart, bars in a bar chart, or slices in a pie chart. A chart represents tabular data, functions, or some kinds of qualitative structure. So this is giving an introduction about a chart, that what is a chart. So chart is a graphical representation of data which shows or represents as via symbols. As in different types of chart, different kinds of symbols will be used. So next, a spreadsheet enables you to create, modify and format charts based on the data given in the spreadsheet. Charts provide an easier way to read and understand the data. So this is a spreadsheet which enables to create, modify and format the charts based on the data given in the spreadsheet. So chart is a feature which provide an easier way to read and understand the data. So let's come to the components of a chart. A chart has many elements. Some of them are described below. This whole figure is about the components of a chart. So you can see one by one here. We will start it from the first one. This color of graph is giving the data series. This whole color is explaining the data series. Okay. Now the thing which is written over here is the data labels. Okay, this is the data label. Now the serial numbers which is started from 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, these are the numbers. These are the students' marks, as we have taken an example of the marks of the students obtained. Okay. So these are the axis title. What it is? Axis title. This we call axis title. Now value axis. This line is the value axis. Okay. Now here this color of graph is telling what? Data points. Okay. Now this orange color chart orange color graph is telling what? Category axis. This whole green area is called plot area, and outside this the white color area which is showing to you is a chart area. Okay. Now this is student data. This chart is of student data. So this student data is the chart title. Okay. So here these colors are drawn here and it has been symbolized with A, S, D, F, G. Okay. So these are the legends. Now here all the components of the charts are written and here are the description of them. So let's start with the chart area, that what is a chart area and what is the use of it. The total region of the chart in which the chart is defined is called the chart area. It includes all the objects in a chart. Okay. So chart area means the complete region of the chart in which the chart is defined, means the whole area of the chart is known as chart area. Next, plot area. The area of the chart in which your data is plotted is called the plot area. Okay, inside it is the area inside which the graph is made or represent. Okay, data points. The points that are plotted in the chart are called data points. Legends. They help you to identify various plotted data series. Each series can be uniquely identified by assigning a unique color which identifies a data series called legend, which you can see here, legend. They are been of different color as for their identification, that each and every graph is having different color, means each and every graph is a different identity. Okay, now category axis. The x axis or horizontal axis is called category axis, which you can see here. It is given in the down. It is category axis. Okay, this line is called the category axis. Now value axis. The y-axis or vertical axis is called value axis, which is given here. This line is represented as value axis, where we write the values. Okay. Now next, chart and axis titles. The title which is given to a chart is called chart title, and the title which is given to an axis is called axis title. Both titles help people to understand what the data is about. These are the two titles which explains the chart, that about what kind of data is chart made. Okay. So here you can see the chart title, which is given as student data. It means that it is the students' data. Here is the axis title. Student marks is written as these numbers are allotted as according to the student marks obtained. Then data labels. Data labels are used for identifying details of data points in a chart, as you can see data labels here. Okay. This is the data series. Data series are bars or slices that represent data values in a chart. Data series, you can see it here. These are the series, okay, which is represented in a chart. We are closing our class. The topic different types of charts we will be doing in another class. Till that time you can revise till the part which I taught you today. Okay. Thank you, students.